Hey there, welcome to my another video, and today I'm gonna share my strategy of doing physics, including numerical concept, derivations, etc. Basically, physics is going to be tough if you do not understand it well. So there are 5 steps. So let's begin. So the first thing is concepts. Get the concepts crystal clear. All you have to do is visualize. Physics isn't maths. Always try to visualize. Think of the situation is actually happening in front of your eyes, whether it is an electric charge, field, or a pendulum, or anything. You have to remember each and everything conceptually. Once you clear all the concepts, try to learn formulas. Formulas are the pillars of physics, the most important step while preparing physics. Try to make a formula sheet and learn those formulas daily or revise once or twice in a day. Now you know the concepts, you know the formulas, start solving numericals. Learn the basic maths like trigonometry, calculus, etc. properly, and then move to solve some simple examples. Starting with simple examples will also clear your concepts and boost your confidence. In the beginning, it may take a lot of time, but at the end, you will enjoy solving physics. So now you understand the concepts, you learn the formulas, and you know the trick to solve numericals. Try to practice every day. Practice is the key, guys. Physics need practice each and every day. Practice as many questions as you can, but make sure to choose the right practice material as well. The last thing is revision. Keep revising the concepts, make notes of important points and concepts, get a formula sheet as well. Notes and formulas sheet will be hugely beneficial for revision. Practice the unsolved questions or solve those questions which were found difficult the first time. Try to give online mock tests or section-wise tests regularly. Once you know about the topic or chapter, teach someone and solve someone else's doubt, or you can also teach yourself by sitting in front of the mirror, which will help you to do things far better. So these are the 5 steps of doing physics which I regularly follow, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching.